Jaeon Jungkook previously gave fans a big surprise with a 30-minute performance at Times Square, New York's TSX stage. And recently, Calvin Klein shared behind-the-scenes video footage in Jungkook's appearance at the TSX stage Times Square. Jungkook, who is the Calvin Klein brand ambassador, wore clothes from the brand when appearing on the TSX stage. After the 50-second video was shared, various reactions from fans filled the comments column and highlighted the thumbnail. The initial black and white video shows Jungkook in a hotel room before performing. Jungkook wore a long-sleeved black jeans shirt folded up to his elbows, and the two buttons on the top were undone. He also wore black jeans. His appearance is retro style, which really suits the song he will be performing. The 50-second YouTube video succeeded in making fans praise Calvin Klein for providing clothes that really fit Jungkook. On the other hand, many fans also let Korean music critic Kim Youngdae review Jungkook's Golden album. Music critic Kim Youngdae reviewed the entire Golden Jungkook album neutrally without taking sides. Kim Youngdae said that the Golden album was the pinnacle of BTS's pop music. Among the 7 BTS members, each of whom has different charms and strengths, Jungkook is the one who is optimized for the pop category. Although he is quite talented in the music genre, this may be at the expense of Jungkook's pop sensibilities, and as a K-pop artist, being born with a penchant for competing in the mainstream categories of the American pop market is not a talent. So Golden is a body of work that is more pop than any of BTS music. It ends up being a pop album full of conscious choices that are more pop than the American pop we know. From the moment of song selection, the detailed A&R team including Jungkook himself, you can feel that there is some selection work, and the album playlist can be felt. It's true that top pop producer and songwriter the Golden Jungkook album they created together, no less than pop, is not a K-pop album, but another top pop album. All. Collaborating with world-class vocal producers and pop composers, Jungkook shows a complex charm that is different from his BTS days. The result of efforts to change Jungkook's image as a solo singer and not as the main vocalist of BTS, along with his technical growth as a vocalist. The dynamic and rhythmic songs, including Closer to You, stand out the most for their subtle sensuality that is not expressed but can be felt by anyone. Highlights are the whispered earnestness with a pulsating Latin rhythm, Please Don't Change, which is also based on Latin music, and Somebody, an R&B song that showcases the vocal tone to unique effect. Jungkook's solo debut was initially just the single, 7. But eventually, as his musical aspirations grew one by one, Golden was expanded into a full album. That's music critic Kim Youngdae's summary of Jungkook's Golden album. Not only that, Jungkook is fighting to win first place in Music Core Korea. This MBC show music program was broadcast on the afternoon of November 11th with the abbreviation name Music Core. Famous K-pop idols are now fighting for first place in the hearts of their fans. The music program MBC show has now given the nominations to IVE, Jungkook, and also Taemin. The three of them will fight each other to win first place in Music Core Korea. 3 main MCs for this event, namely Younghoon The Boys, Sullyoon NMIXX, and actor Lee Jung-ha hosted the event. This time, Music Core will announce their first winner candidate in the second week of November. The nomination went to Baddie, belongs to the girl group IVE, Standing Next to You, by Jungkook BTS, and Shiny Taemin's Guilty. Taemin's song entitled Guilty was included in the first nomination at Music Core. Top winners will be measured based on app votes collected based on live broadcast and text scores. IVE managed to maintain its position as the leader of the fourth-generation girl group. Jungkook and solo artist Shiny are included in the category of youngest members in their group. Now clashes between K-pop idols will occur for all generations to attract attention. What do you think? Give your opinion in the comments column.